Best 5 ways to promote your Instagram guides. Instagram guides are a new feature that is exclusive to Instagram. Instagram guides are effectively a way to create blog posts within the app. No longer will users have to click external links to find new information. It will all be able to be found within the app. This means that the promotion will also mainly be in-app. The easiest way to promote your guide is to share it to your Instagram story. It would be more beneficial to do this at a popular time of day when your stories are getting the most number of views. You should also be mindful and make sure this is the time of day where target audience would be in a position where they could take the time to read your guide thoroughly and engage properly with your content. For example, maybe you receive high engagement on simple posts or stories, like a morning coffee or inspirational quote in the morning. But for a guide, which will take longer to engage effectively with, maybe it would not be conducive to post it in the morning if your audience is full of people who work 9 to 5 and only check Instagram briefly on coffee breaks. You can also share your guides multiple times on your story, although you should be cautious of doing this too often in case your audience gets sick of the self-promotion. There is a fine line. Find the sweet spot and roll with it. As you know, on your profile, once you have created a guide, you will get the Guide tab, which is the feed where the audience will scroll through all your guides. To make sure people are aware of this, you could add a story highlight to your profile titled Information and share your guide stories there. This seems minor, but is a great way to remind your followers that guides exist. If using someone else's post, first consider asking them. You can also DM, comment to let them know, and ask if they would share it. This way, your post reaches a new audience. If someone else uses your post in that guide, it is also polite to share it in your own story. This would build a good relationship between you and the guide creator. Having such relationships are essential. They could be sharing yours, and you can build partnerships and come up with new content creations together. Adding captions to posts to encourage your audience to visit your guides is another possible strategy. In essence, promote your guides in ways that your audience will respond to. At the end of the day, the best promotion is good content, because that way, your audience will do the promotion for you. The most effective types of Instagram guides. Before starting to use Instagram guides, it is important to try and gauge what type of guides will be the most effective. There are 3 main types of Instagram guides: posts, products, and places. Different guides will present differently and will give you different results depending on your content and business structure. This presentation will give you some tips on the most effective kind of Instagram guides. To begin, it kind of goes without saying, but it is still important to mention that the most effective types of Instagram guides are, of course, the ones that are most appropriate for you. The best guides align with your brand's values, appeal to your audience, and will benefit your business in some way. There is no point just doing guides for the sake of it. Determine what your audience will get from them and how this will work for you, before just churning out content to appear relevant. The most effective kind of guide is one that best represents your content and resonates with your audience. Product guides. Product guides can be used to share a particular product with your audience. You can include reviews of an explanation of how the product best functions. It is a great way to explain a more complicated product. For example, the manufacturing method of materials used for your audience. Product guides can only be created about products that are listed on the Instagram shop, so it is a great way to draw attention to your favorite products or options. Place guides. Place guides are great to create a guide to a place that has a location tagged on Instagram. It is the best way to create a recommendation for a business. Post guides. Post guides are the most versatile. You can create lists and compilations of posts centered around a certain theme. It is a useful way to share your expertise and group relevant posts together. Additionally, you want to use an effective headline and name of your guide, as well as helpful descriptions within your guides. You want your language to be clear and concise, to demonstrate your point and be engaging. You should encourage your audience to share the guides too. It can be beneficial to include some sort of call to action within a guide. For example, a discount code or a "mention this guide for a free." There are many ways that you can be creative with guides, so make sure you take any opportunity you can to do so. The most effective guides are going to be the ones that work towards meeting your business and engagement goals. So think outside the box, use your imagination, and really guide your audience into engaging with your content.